Hello, my name is Bibi Khan. I'm the president of Wightman Road Mosque, normally known as the London Islamic Cultural Society. I have an important message for you if you get benefits and are of working age. Universal credit is replacing several benefits, such as housing benefits, income support, and others. If you are getting any of these benefits, you will get a letter titled Universal Credit Migration Notice from the Department of Work and Pensions. This letter will tell you you need to apply for universal credit. You must act when you get this letter, and you will have 12 weeks to apply for universal credit. Please don't risk losing your benefits by ignoring this letter. If you need help to apply for universal credit, Citizens Advice has a special helpline for you. Call on 0800 144 8444. Thank you, and please help spread this message. Let's make sure everyone in our community gets the support they need.